What's up guys, Brian with SoCo Customs and Complete Auto Repair. Most of y'all actually just know us as SoCo Customs on the interwebs. A lot of our branding is really based on the custom side of things, but we do also do auto repair, and the ampersand proves it. And I'll show you that with the magic of cinematography. So yeah, a lot of our customers will come by for their lift kits, their wheels, their tires, some bolt-on performance stuff, basically all the stuff that you have seen in our YouTube videos, our Facebook videos, our Instagram videos, but then they don't realize that we actually do your oil changes. We'll do your passenger car tires. We'll take care of your fleet vehicles. We do general repairs and maintenance. There's a lot of misconceptions out there that in order to keep your factory warranty intact, you do have to take it back to the dealer and only the dealer, and that is just not true. And SoCo Customs wants to earn your business. We've got the Google and the Facebook reviews to show you that we can be trusted with this kind of thing. The integrity that we treat our customers with, the accuracy of our diagnostics. So yeah, I'm just going to start a new series that you'll be able to tune into every single week, and it'll be more on the auto repair side, so you'll know a little bit more about what we do here at SoCo Customs. It's not all big trucks, it's not all show trucks. We do want to see you guys for anything, whether it's your oil changes all the way up to engine swaps and everything in between, whether it's leaky head gaskets or other issues that plague our vehicles. So as we roll into the fall and into the winter, it is definitely important that we keep our vehicles in tip-top shape. We don't want to get stranded anywhere, all for something that was completely preventable. But I would like to invite you down to our store, SoCo Custom. Give us a call if your car is doing anything weird, you kind of want us to take a look at something, or even just a general inspection to head into the winter. Give us a call, 719-574-1700, and we look forward to seeing you guys very soon. Thank you.